A tornado warning has been issued for Allegheny County, Washington County, and Westmoreland County.